Canada, home to sprawling wilderness, vibrant cities, and iconic natural wonders, is a dream destination for travelers seeking adventure and discovery. From awe-inspiring waterfalls to picturesque coastal towns, there's no shortage of extraordinary places to explore. In this video, we'll be counting down the top 10 most popular places to visit in Canada, places that should be on every traveler's bucket list. Number 10. Ottawa, Ontario. As the capital city of Canada, Ottawa offers a unique mix of historical significance and modern vibrancy. From the stunning Gothic-style architecture of Parliament Hill to the scenic Rideau Canal, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Ottawa is the perfect starting point for any Canadian adventure. In the winter, the Rideau Canal transforms into the world's largest skating rink, making it a magical experience. Visitors can also explore the city's top museums, including the National Gallery of Canada and the Canadian Museum of History. Number 9. Gromor National Park. One of Canada's most stunning natural gems, Gromor National Park, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its geological wonders. Here you can hike through the tablelands, where the Earth's mantle is exposed, or take a boat tour through the jaw-dropping western Brook Pond Fjord. Gromorn is also a paradise for wildlife lovers, with opportunities to spot moose, caribou, and even whales along its dramatic coastline. Number 8. Victoria, British Columbia. The charming capital of British Columbia, Victoria offers a perfect blend of colonial history and natural beauty. Stroll through the world-famous Butchart Gardens, a 55-acre floral wonderland, or visit the historic Craigdarroch Castle. Located on Vancouver Island, Victoria is also home to beautiful coastal views and offers easy access to whale-watching tours. Don't forget to experience traditional afternoon tea at the Fairmont Empress Hotel, a hallmark of the city's British charm. Number 7. Colona. Nestled in the heart of Okanagan Valley, Colona is famous for its vineyards, stunning lake views, and year-round outdoor activities. Visitors can explore the region's award-winning wineries or paddle along the tranquil waters of Okanagan Lake. For adventure seekers, a hike through Myra Canyon offers scenic vistas of the surrounding mountains. Cologna's relaxed vibe and breathtaking landscapes make it a must-visit spot in Canada. Number 6. Vancouver. Nestled between the Pacific Ocean and the stunning coastal mountains, Vancouver is a vibrant city that seamlessly blends urban sophistication with breathtaking nature. Whether you're walking along the seawall in Stanley Park, exploring the bustling streets of Gastown, or visiting the multicultural markets on Granville Island, Vancouver offers a wide array of experiences. Outdoor enthusiasts can enjoy skiing at nearby Grouse Mountain in winter, or hiking the Capilano Suspension Bridge for awe-inspiring views. Don't forget to catch the skyline as the sun sets behind the mountains. It's a sight you'll never forget. Number 5. Mont Tremblant. Mont Tremblant, located in the Laurentian Mountains, is a year-round playground for outdoor enthusiasts. During the winter, its slopes become a haven for skiers and snowboarders, while the warmer months offer hiking, cycling, and vibrant autumn foliage. The nearby pedestrian village is perfect for après-ski with boutique shopping, restaurants, and cozy lodges. Whether you're visiting for winter sports or autumn views, Mont Tremblant delivers an unforgettable experience. Number 4. Cavendish Beach, Prince Edward Island. Cavendish Beach is the crown jewel of Prince Edward Island National Park. With its red sand dunes, cliffs, and serene beaches, Cavendish provides a peaceful escape into nature. It's a dream destination for fans of Anne of Green Gables, as it's the inspiration behind Green Gables Heritage Place. Visitors can hike the park's scenic trails, enjoy picnics by the sea, or simply relax while taking in the tranquil views. Number 3. Jasper National Park. Jasper National Park, located in Alberta's Canadian Rockies, is the largest national park in the Rockies and an adventurer's paradise. With towering peaks, sparkling lakes, and abundant wildlife, it offers an untamed wilderness that draws hikers, climbers, and nature lovers alike. Don't miss Malign Lake, one of the most photographed spots in Canada, and Spirit Island, which can only be reached by boat. In the winter, Jasper transforms into a snowy wonderland, ideal for skiing, snowshoeing, and stargazing. The park is a designated dark sky preserve, offering incredible views of the night sky. Number 2. Niagara Falls, Ontario. No visit to Canada would be complete without experiencing the majestic Niagara Falls. As one of the most iconic natural wonders in the world, Niagara Falls never fails to amaze with its thundering waters and breathtaking views. You can get up close and personal with the falls by taking the Maid of the Mist boat tour or exploring the journey behind the falls. In the evening, the falls are illuminated, creating a magical sight that you won't want to miss. The surrounding area is also home to Clifton Hill, filled with fun attractions, restaurants, and shops. Number 1. Banff National Park, Alberta. Taking the top spot is Banff National Park, one of the most stunning and iconic locations in Canada. Situated in the heart of the Canadian Rockies, Banff is an adventurer's paradise. From the pristine turquoise waters of Lake Louise to the towering peaks of the Icefields Parkway, this national park offers endless outdoor activities and jaw-dropping views. In the winter, it transforms into a wonderland for skiing and snowboarding, while in the summer, hiking trails and scenic drives attract travelers from all over the world. Don't miss the chance to take in the views from the Banff Gondola or soak in the famous Banff Upper Hot Springs. From the awe-inspiring Niagara Falls to the serene beauty of Banff, Canada is home to some of the most incredible destinations in the world. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or cultural experiences, these top 10 popular places will make your journey through Canada unforgettable. Let us know in the comments which destination you're most excited to visit. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel inspiration.